Welcome back. 6:13 today, a big day for golf fans. The opening round of the Farmers Insurance Open begins this morning.
CBS 8's Chris Gros live at the beautiful Torrey Pines with all the excitement. Chris, people are up early. You know, typically our live shots, they don't have that much action. But for you right now, tell us what are you seeing?
Yeah, for the golf dorks out there, I have to tell you, this is really cool to be here now before gates open at 8:30, because this is when you see those warm-up routines, which are probably going to start in about a half hour to an hour from now, when we have, of course, those first tee times starting at 9-10 a.m. So that's something that we'll be on the lookout for. But someone who's been working out, exercising, making sure that this course is in tip-top shape. Here we have John Howard, Golf Operations Director with the City of San Diego. And John, the course is looking fantastic. We, of course, played in that media preview day, and it was tough. Anything different this year that you guys experienced, that maybe with weather or anything like that, that sort of added to that lushness that we're seeing?
Yeah, we actually had a few rain events this year that actually really helped us with the growing. You know, between that, we had some amazing weather. I think we've all been enjoying that. But leading into the event, things have just been fantastic for us.
What kind of work would you say, again, we hear about the passion of your staff and the dedication that they have, but just take us behind the scenes. I mean, this is a year-round process. You know, day one for the 27 PGA Tour event that'll be here, that starts, Monday, right?
Absolutely. I mean, once we're done with this event, we start thinking about how we can improve the practices that we have. We've got a lot of great people on staff that are very knowledgeable about how to get this golf course in shape. But by the time, a few months roll by, we're going to be planning for the next one.
Now, of course, the teeth of this golf course, the rough, we're looking at this again, just being one of those major kind of sticking points here and thorn in the side of these players.
Yeah, this year we've had some unseasonably warm weather, and so some of our warm season grass is stuck around. So
Ooh, okay.
I think it's going to be a lot tougher this year than we've seen in years past, but these players are good. They know how to play out of this kind of stuff. I'm always impressed as how well they can play.
Okay. Well, John, I appreciate it. I know you're a busy man on a day like today, round one, Farmers Insurance Open. Thank you so much for joining us. And again, I think that's the insight that for a lot of folks, they're maybe not aware of when they're not out at the golf course every day, like someone like John is, or those who golf. But that rough, got to get on the fairway. Otherwise, you're just hacking it out just to get back on the fairway. You're down a shot. That's why you see scoring so high, which again, in golf, just for those who are not familiar, you don't want to see those high numbers. That's what you're going to be getting, especially on the South course, which is longer, has tighter fairways and so forth. So it's going to be really interesting to see, as John pointed out there, how scoring looks on a weekend here where we've seen the weather sort of play up the difficulty here in the lead up.
Okay, interesting. The lower the number, the better.
Crews are out there hard at work already.